Stepped in the middle of 7 South Florida. I mean, and in front of a dozen oceans. I mean, 10,000 miles in the massive graveyard. It's a hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Where did you see? I'm gonna from. What do you see? My belly cowboy. Saw a newborn baby with wild hooves all around it. Saw a highway of diamonds with no money on it. I saw a black mansion with the blood that kept dripping to the roof for the men and the hammers of blue. 10,000 talkers and the tongues were all broken, and guns and top swords in the hands of young children. It's a hard. Yeah, it's a hard. But it's a hard. I said it's a hard. Yeah, it's a hard way for a fall. When you hear my blind son, what did you hear? My darling young one. I heard you sound pretty good. And the Lord out of warning, and the roll of a wave and grab on word. One person's time, I heard many people laughing. The song of a road and it died in the gutter. And the sound of a crowd and it cried in the alley. And it's a hard. Yeah, it's a hard. It's a hard. Well, it's a hard. It's a hard way. Oh, oh. Who did you meet? My blind son. Who did you meet? My darling young one. Well, I've been a young child down in that morning. I've been a white man and it holds a black dog. I've been one woman and her body was moving. I met a young girl and she gave me a rainbow. I met one man, he was wounded in love. I met another man, he was wounded in dread. It's a hard. 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 What do you do now? My darling, I'm gonna go back out, but the rain stopped to fall. I walked to the depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many, and the lands all empty, where the pellets are poison. I follow their waters, where they're home in the valley. It's a pain to the prison, and the executioner's face. His soul is sweaty with his hunger exactly. My souls are forgotten. We black is the color, and God is the number. And I tell it and sing it, and I'll speak it and breathe it. If he comes from the back, so our souls can see it. Then I stand on the ocean before I start singing. know my song well before I stop playing.